In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a Slack channel name quickly and efficiently. Whether you're updating your channel to reflect a new project focus or simply correcting a naming error, the process is straightforward and can be done in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to Slack's website. Simply type Slack into your web browser and head to their main web page. Once there, you'll need to log in. If you've set up your Slack account using your Google credentials, it's easiest to click Sign in with Google. This will streamline the process and get you into your Slack workspace without the hassle of remembering different passwords. Now that you're inside your Slack workspace, locate your dashboard. This is your central hub, where all of your channels, messages and tasks are neatly organized. From the dashboard, identify and click on the channel you wish to rename. Doing so will open the main view for that channel. Look for the small three-dot icon. It's easy to overlook, but it's a crucial part of the process. Clicking this will open up a menu with more options, one of which is Edit Settings. Go ahead and select that. With the settings now open, you should see several fields you can adjust. The one you're interested in is labeled Channel Name. Here you have the freedom to type in your channel's new name. Keep in mind that good channel names are both descriptive and concise, helping users find and understand the channel's purpose at a glance. Once you've entered the desired name for your channel, there should be a save button or an option to confirm your changes. Hit that, and your new channel name will be set. It's always a good idea to double check your spelling and make sure that the name accurately reflects the nature or topic of the channel. This ensures clarity for everyone who is part of your workspace. And there you have it. Changing your Slack channel name is a breeze when you follow these steps. A well-organized Slack workspace can greatly enhance productivity and communication within your team, so taking the time to ensure your channels are aptly named is certainly worth the effort. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Happy slacking!